Namaskar, myself Dr. Kamla R. Nagar, Professor and Head, Department of Dravaguna, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to deliver my lecture on Lajjalu or Mimosa pudica or churni plant. Content of the lecture are general introduction in which we will read Latin name and family, morphology, properties, useful part and doses, and Ayurvedic preparations. Lajjalu or Mimosa pudica is known as Lajvanti or sensitive plant or touch me not or chew me. It is semi-erect shrub. Its leaves sensitivity for touch. Its leaves fold and drop on touching. It is a medicinal herb with antibacterial, antivenom, anti-fertility, anti-convulsant, antidepressant, aphrodisiac, and various other pharmacological activities. In Ayurveda, it is used mentioned for the skin and vaginal diseases, swelling, burning sensation, diarrhea, etc. It is a perennial short, prickly herb with sensitive leaves which fold and drop on touching. Root is cylindrical, tapering, with secondary and tertiary branches up to 2 cm thick, grayish brown to brown, woody, bark fibrous. Leaf is yellowish green, small leaf in 10 to 20 pair leaflets. Stem is racky or cloth with prickles. Flowers are globose, pink heads, pollinated by wind and insects. Fruits is a cluster of 2 to 8 pods with prickly margin. Seeds are 3 to 5 in number. This is the view of Mimosa pudica or Lajjalu or Chuimul. Botanical name is Mimosa pudica, family Leguminosae, common name is Chuimul, Sanskrit name is Lajvanti. Ayurvedic properties of Lajjalu is in Ras it is Kashai and Pict, Gun is Laghu and Ruksh, Vipak is Katu, Virya is Sheet, Dosha Karma is Kapha Pitta Shamak. Parts to be used are root, whole plant. All 5 parts of mimosa plant containing panchang, leaves, flower, stems, roots, and fruits are used for medicinal purpose. Paste of the plant is used as poultice for external use. Doses are fresh juice is 10 to 20 ml. Decoction is 50 to 100 ml in divided doses. Ayurvedic indication of mimosa is in Yoniro, useful in gynecological disorders like heavy periods, in Atisar, diarrhea, dysentery, Rakta Pitta is bleeding disorder, nasal bleeding, metrorrhagia, Pitta Atisar, bloody diarrhea, ulcerative colitis, Shoka is inflammation, Daha, burning sensation, gastritis, neuropathy, burning in eyes, etc. Sham, tiredness or fatigue, Shwas, asthma and chronic respiratory disorders, Burn is ulcer and wounds, pushed in skin diseases, ulcer blood disorders such as axis or skin disorders. Ayurvedic formulation of mimosa is Putaj Avle hai. It is used in piles, ulcerative colitis, diarrhea, IBS, anemia, bleeding disorders, gastritis, inflammatory conditions. Samangadi Chun is used in bleeding hemorrhoids. Lakshadi Chun used in nasal bleeding, heavy periods, and other bleeding disorders. Pylocure tablet used in bleeding piles and hemorrhoids. Ural BPH capsule used in the treatment of benign prostatic hyperplasia. Thanks for sharing this PPT with me. If you find any difficulty to understand a topic, please comment in comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thank you once again.